Hey, I'm Fish. I got a couple of monitors here. I apologize if they're all over the place. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining. I got a dual screen monitor that goes onto the back of your laptop. And I got one that is standalone. Now, I'm not sure which one I like best. But you see I have a Ulanzi arm, kind of loose. Make sure you tighten it over here, it goes up. And then tighten over here, it goes up. And over here, and then it's just a little loose. Not the best arm in the world. But it stays over here where I do my video this way. So what will work best for me when my laptop is over here? I'm not a lefty of the screen. I'm a righty of the screen. So I may have to, I can't switch the arm because of the couch. And I can't move myself here because of the desk. So that's why everything caters to the right side. But I can take the arm and attach it to the desk. But then I have to rearrange things. This one here has a fabricated kickstand, magnetic. Put that to the side. This one here has a plastic rubber foot kickstand. It leans down too low. So let's open up the laptop. Let's open up the stand. Let's open up the part here. And let's spread out high and slide down and lock in. Wasn't that difficult to do. It's 1080p. I have a right angle USB-C to C cable. I just pick a port, plug in, starts up. There we go. I got two windows. Look at that. I come here to the settings, go to display, and I choose which window I want. Duplicated, 1, 2, or multi. Then I'm able to go to Filmora, open up, do a new project, and on top here I could choose the layouts I want, or just grab, bring, and have a nice large window for my video. And I got a nice large field for all my files and a nice timeline. But if I bring the timeline over, then I'm going to have a problem. The timeline won't stay solid. But where did my, you got it, my display go? Bring it back in, drop it down. My display is back here to the norm. Now let me hook up the other monitor because you're going to ask about that and see what that looks like. Is there a special way to just disconnect this? I'm not sure. Maybe on the taskbar there is a disconnect. I pay no attention. I unplug. I simply close it all on up. Maybe I could do it this way. So let me back up and let me go vertical. But you can see I'm like stretching my cable. I don't know if I could go portrait mode. Nah, I can only do portrait mode with the smartphone. Unplug, fold it up, put it away. I could use the same cables. So let me look for the ports on this one. They're on the side over here. I have an HDMI and 2 Type-Cs. Now maybe I could do something a little different. You say, hey, how can I switch this? I only got a screen like so. Go into display, right here. Take it off of duplicate and extend these. And then I could take this, bring it on in. Now, I like this one better because it doesn't rest on your laptop. It's loose. So I have to figure out, maybe I could hang it up there, but then it'd be too far back. Not the neatest project in the world, if asked. Maybe you have suggestions that we could find a spot for this. I don't want it to block my camera. Maybe I could bring 2 little bars down like this. Have it hang. Then I got 2 different levels of computers here, here, and here. And yeah, you're going to ask me, can I hook up 3? I just put a, an OTG dongle on there. I probably can do that as well. That's not what I want because the arm's in the way. But when I'm all done, I can simply fold my arm out of the way. But I'm, like I said, 2 different angles. And I can sit and edit and do my work. I don't want to put this all the way back there because then I can't hit the keyboard. Oh yeah, you could put a nice large screen and have a keyboard here and fold that down, put it to the side, or have a keyboard here, and there's a lot you can do. And that's the problem with YouTube Studios. I'm Fish, and I thank you for your time. Put everything away, got a nice case for it. And I'll decide later which is the best one for my needs.